What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another weekly video of working on the Subaru. This week we are going to be restoring all the trim on the car. I'm taking some of the trim pieces off and using a couple products to make them look brand new. So if you have ever wanted to learn how to restore all the trim on your car, please watch the rest of this video where I'll show you all the tools and tricks that you need to make your trim look like a brand new car. Let's go. Before we actually start restoring the trim, I just want to show you guys the two products that you're going to need to do this job. All you're going to be using is some Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. You could use any brand of black plastic restore to do this. I just like Meguiar's the best. And then you're also going to want a paintbrush to just lather that on. You'll probably want a couple microfiber towels to wipe it off in the end as well. Other than that, that's all you're going to need to make your trim look brand new, make it look like it came from the factory. So let's get into it. Alright, now that you guys know what products we're going to be using, let's get started. First step is basically I want to find all the trim that I want to restore. I want to be doing this. I'm do this windshield wiper cowl, and then I want to do this piece of trim that runs along the doors. I'm also going to try to restore all this rubber up, make it look a little bit better. Want to do the roof trim as well. And then that's about it for the trim on my car. I'm also going to try to touch up these guys where the mirror is attached to, see if we can make those look better as well. So now that we know where we're gonna be restoring, the first step is you just wanna put a big old dab of your Ultimate Black Trim Restore anywhere that you can on your car, any piece of trim. Get your paintbrush, get a little bit on it, and just start painting away. Start working it in there with the paintbrush. Paintbrush works really well for getting in all these little cracks and stuff, you know, and kind of getting behind it a little bit. And just work it in. Nice and smooth like that. There you go. And keep moving on. Go around the whole car like this. Another thing too I always try to do while I'm doing this is I definitely make sure to keep the microfiber towel close, and if I get any little bits of the trim restore on my paint, I just wipe it off real quick. I'm not sure if it's good or bad for the paint. I just recommend keeping it off of your paint. I feel like you'll just have better results, and you don't want to mess up with your paint with any product that's not supposed to be on paint. So just keep that in mind. So we got trim restore on all the trim on the right side of the car. Let me just show you guys how it's looking so far. This side has been soaking in for a little bit already, and you could already see a lot of the life coming back into these trim pieces, just really starting to look black again. Same thing with these rubbers, just starting to look like they're brand new. I'm stoked on how this is turning out. I'm about to do the other side. We're gonna wipe everything off, and we're gonna show you guys the finished product. So let's keep going. So I got trim restore on every piece of trim on the car. It's really starting to soak in, really starting to bring that life back. I did the front cowl as well, and even got the roof trim. So it's really starting to come back. I'm gonna let it soak in for about 5 more minutes. Then I'm gonna wipe everything clean and show you guys the finished product. So stay tuned. so we got it all wiped down. Now it's time for me to show you guys the finished product. Just look at that trim right there. Brand new. Not hazy at all anymore. Looks like it just came out the factory. Gotta love it. So this whole process overall only took me about 30 minutes. As you guys can see, I'm starting to lose daylight because I started way late in the afternoon. I've been busy all day. I really wanted to do this because my good friend Cam told me that this stuff works great. He used it on his 90s E36 BMW, and it really made the trim look a lot better. So overall, the whole job only takes about 30 minutes. You could do it for under 20 bucks. I'd really recommend doing this if your cars look a little bit older and if you're starting to have some hazing, you know, in the trim and stuff like that. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next. I'm always trying to make the car look cleaner, look better, but I want to do some mods, you know. I really want to start modding the car and really building the Subaru overall, but I need your guys' input before I start spending money on parts. I really want to know what you guys want to see, so comment below and let your boy know. And as always, remember guys, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.